Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Let's get to our next question. How much is difference, or in terms of time period, between the blowing of two trumpets? Blowing of a trumpet is something that is associated with Day of Judgment. That the first trumpet will be blown, and kullu man alayha fan, everything will come to an end. And then the second trumpet will be blown, then everything will be brought back to life, and then the Day of Judgment shall happen. So comes the question that what will be the distance or duration, or in terms of time, between the blowing of the two trumpets. If you look at Sahih al-Bukhari, Hadith number 4814, Abi Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anhu narrates this hadith. He said that I heard from the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, بَيْنَ النَّفْخَتَيْنِ أَرْبَعُونَ, between the two trumpets it is 40. So people who were sitting around Abi Hurairah radiyallahu anhu started asking him questions. Abi Hurairah, 40 what? Does it mean 40 days? And Abi Hurairah radiyallahu anhu said, nope. Then they said, okay, is it 40 years? And Abi Hurairah radiyallahu anhu said, nope, it's not 40 years. Then they said, okay, is it 40 months? And Abi Hurairah radiyallahu anhu said, nope, not even 40 months. So the idea, this hadith is reported in Sahih al-Bukhari in several places. Hadith 4814 and 4935. And this hadith is also reported by Imam Muslim in Sahih Muslim, hadith 955. So it is muttafaqun alayh hadith, means a hadith that comes in both Sahih al-Bukhari and Sahih Muslim. So what exactly does the 40 means? Abi Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anhu denied that it represents days, denied that it represents years, denied that it represents months, basically saying, I don't know. All I remember is the word 40. Now some sharihin of the ahadith use the word 40 years. And they attribute it to one of the hadith which is reported from Abdullah ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu by Imam ibn Murduyah. However, that hadith is shadh, and one of its chain of narration is da'if. And Allama ibn al-Mulqan, upon stating this particular statement, says that this statement of Abi Hurairah radiyallahu anhu, that I deny this, means that I don't know what exactly is the meaning, the right meaning of the 40. All I know, it is 40. So that's why something that he didn't know about, he didn't comment it about. And Allah knows best. And this is this detail by Ibn al-Mulqan comes in At-Tawdih للشرح الجامع الصحيح, volume number 23, page number 183. So we don't understand 100% what 40 represents. All we know is 40. We do not have the exact time frame of what is the representation of 40. I hope that answers the question. Assalamu alaikum.